Soon I'll be embarking on a new chapter in my life. At nearly 60 years old, I'm starting from scratch. I've done this successfully 3 out of 4 times before, so my odds are pretty good that I'll succeed. I'll only have a limited fixed income to start with, and this will serve to obtain a dwelling, necessities, and some luxuries. So, like I say, I'll be starting with very little money and very, very, very few tools. I'm going to document as much of this as I possibly can for you, my friends here on YouTube. And there'll also be a few others joining me in this automotive misadventure. I'll introduce them for the first time once they're on camera, so please join me in my, how shall I say, passion for automotive oddities. Now, do me a favor, or 3 or 4, like and subscribe, and click the bell icon so that you'll be notified as soon as a new video is uploaded. And last but not least, please share this video and all future ones with all of your friends, co-workers, and associates. Because the sooner I achieve 25,000 subscribers, the sooner I'll be able to better produce more and more content. Thank you, each and every one of you, for taking the time to watch my video. Now, if you want to send me anything at all, my current address is below, and I will update that as soon as it changes, which, like I say, won't be very long in the future, very far in the future. And I'll upload the next video as soon as I can. This is Steve, and remember, Steve's Bad Company.